Today I will do something new. So the first thing to do is to create an outline. Draw an outline using grid method.
When we got sticks for real, we looking out for the opposition. We don't do this for mass appeal. Don't make me blast it still. I put in work, no Vladimir. They want me to lose, but I can't. Mama shell like 1,000.
Outline complete and it's epic.
Mercedes, next year you gon' see me pull up in the race. All I know ball hard, mama told me, boy, make sure you tie your legs. Hey, when I was down bad, boy, I got on my knees and I started to pray.
Done. So now I will use it to draw this drawing. No.
Paid every single day, yeah, I was hustling.
Nah.
Turn an 8 to a 28, let me show you.
Yes.
They can kiss my hair, yeah, see them lights.
Here I will complete the drawing using a ballpoint pen. First I will make the outline a little dark. Then I will make a hatching line with light pressure.
Sinking, drowning, washed up.
Wherever the dark line comes, I will darken it with more pressure.
Laughing right now, me, about to make a boatload.
Between here I am draw the Ultron from one of my favorite Marvel characters.
Only one laughing right now, me, about to make a boatload, then you'll see. About to make a boatload.
I will do shading layer by layer for creating dark area.
About to make a boatload, then you'll see. In every predicament, I found a way out. I need a payout. Smoking an L at the Marriott. I don't need no one to tell me I'm very out. Feet on the
Ballpen art I am doing for the first time, and I will do my best to make it realistic. At first it seemed very difficult and impossible, but as I did, my hand became more and more comfortable. As the like saying goes, try and try, you will be success. Initially the pressure seemed difficult to maintain, but now it is going very well.
Washed up recently, feel I bust up. Only one laughing right now, me, about to make a boatload, then you'll see.
Too many cigarettes, Casamigos for the pain. Lord knows I've been a mess. All that shit inside my brain, put it on the internet. Make $1 million, yeah, this game. Damn, I feel like Boba Fett. Everything I touch is flames. I'm in outer space, my ex got the potty face now. Cause I'm by my cake, stop calling you.
Here I first darken the outline of the part where the change occurs. Then move on to the light to dark area. That is, first I make light tone with low pressure. Then I put second layer on it and make a dark tone. I am also using cotton stick here as a blender to make hatching line a little smoother.
Walking down this Sunday road, damn near almost lost my soul. But now that I'm in control, what they gon' do? Can no evil hold me down? Let no evil hold me down. When your will is on the ground, what you gon' do? I won't go for anything that isn't in direction of the moon. Don't never let anything come in between, cause surely you will lose. Inhale the atmosphere, brushing fear right off the shoulders. Looking around, couldn't find anyone. Feel like the world getting colder. Yeah, I'm motivated, we won't stop until we are over. Yeah, and I won't look back, no. Won't look back, no. Cause it's only a matter of time that we.
I am also trying to do small details here.
Looking back, ain't no other way around it, dog. You got everything you need on guard. Just honing your faith and your power. Trust we could witness as ours. No, this is not just a dream. Keeping you up early every hour.
Ultron face is complete, and with my hand is hurting and I'm hungry, so let's eat something. Oh, delicious tomatoes. Yummy. Now that I have the power, let's go back to where we were. Here I will now make the neck part.
Push me off the deep end. Wait, slow down, hone it now. If you believe, then you better breathe it. Walking down this lonely road, damn near almost lost my soul. But now that I'm in control, what they gon' do? Can no evil hold me down? Let no evil hold me down. When your will is on the ground, what you gon' do? won't go for anything that isn't in direction of a boom. Don't never let anything come in between, cause surely you will lose. Introspect, take a sec, watch your step, where you step, when you step, falling free through the sky.
On a special note, while making the hatching line, the ink accumulates near the point of the ball pen. I often clear it with the help of tissue paper, so that more ink does not get lost in the light area, and easy to create light tone.
Let me show you what I mean. Let me take you on them back roads. Show you things you ain't seen. Places only I know. And I know that you got a lot of dreams, and I'm telling you, don't think twice. Yeah. If you want it, go and get it. How you want it, only get one life. So don't think twice. How you stepping up when you keep running? Me, myself, and I keep it 300. Gotta set the bar like a crime. Or you just not want it. No more handouts, I got too much love for you. That's why good girls sometimes
Darken the outline first, then create light to dark tone.
So let me show you what I mean. Let me take you on them back roads.
This is all a game of pressure. Here I am doing the small details very meticulously, so as to become more realistic. Character is complete. Now I will do the background. Here the must area is full dark, so I will darken it with 2 layers through cross hatching line.
Way to the bag, boy, you know I push the gas.
Okay, my timing is critical. Then on my rhyming is pivotal. Homie, the dash is digital, gas residual. Fire and smoke like I'm needing a ritual. You bet my cash is on. I hit the gas, I'm gone. Riding my wave. I've been stuck in my zone. I'm gonna blast them all. Sliding on fate. I've been finding my ways. Grinding for days. I've been shining the hate. All of y'all wanted for praise. Stuck in a phase. Let it and turn it ablaze. Yeah, homie, you don't want no race. Nah, better to stick to your place. Yeah, want it all, I gotta taste. You push on the pedal, now I gotta skate. Yeah, all I ever known. Put me on this throne.
My artwork is done, so now enjoy the reveal.
Introspect, take a sec, watch your step, where you step, when you step, falling free through the sky. Feel the breeze, feel the eye, all your fears, let them die. Energy never lies. Introspect, take a second, let your world unfold.
Falling free through the sky.
I just wanna feel right.
Feel the eye.
I'm so tired of being lost.
All your fears, let them die.
There's nothing we cannot handle. Light up the dark like a candle. Usually they misunderstand you. Yeah. Give a damn if they can't relate. All we want is to motivate. Take it on, never hesitate.
Let me know how you feel about this video and also comment below your suggestions. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.
Trust we could win, this is ours. No, this is not just a dream. Take on the world and devour.